0 to 10, 0 in 6 months. But guess what? It's totally possible. And the best part? You don't have to be a financial genius or have a huge salary to do it. In fact, I did attend. I'm going to show you exactly how. But hold up, before you scroll away thinking, that's for someone else, not me. Let me ask you this. What would your life look like today if you had 10, 0 sitting in your bank account? Would you be able to breathe a little easier? Would you finally start thinking about investing? Or maybe pay off some of that debt that's been hanging over your head? I've got some solid actionable steps that can change your financial game if you're ready to take control. So stay with me till the end, because you'll walk away knowing exactly how I did it and how you can do it too. Let's dive in. Act 1, the wake-up call. I was in a spot where I had nothing. No savings, no high-paying job, no rich uncle waiting to pass down the family fortune. Just a ton of bills and a growing list of future me problems that never seem to get solved. Sound familiar? But here's the harsh reality. Staying broke is a choice. And if you don't change your mindset and start taking action, you'll be in the exact same place a year from now. Same financial struggle, same stress, same cycle. But I wasn't willing to accept that. I had to change. I realized something powerful. It wasn't about how much money you start with. It's about how you use what you've got, even if it's just a little. If you've been waiting for the perfect time to get started, guess what? It's already here. You just need to take the first step. Act 2, the strategy. Here's the game-changing strategy I used. Step 1, start small, but be consistent. I didn't need a 6-figure income to start making money. What I needed was a strategy. So, I invested in side hustles. Simple, easy to start side jobs that don't require big investments. Freelancing, selling products online, or even offering a service you're good at, these were my first steps. Step 2, learn how to leverage time, not just money. We all have 24 hours in a day, but it's how you use that time that matters. I started dedicating a few hours each day to my side hustles, whether it was at night, early morning, or during lunch breaks. Think about it. If you could commit just a couple of hours a day to something that could make you money, wouldn't that be worth it? And yes, I know what you're thinking, but I'm so busy already. Trust me, I get it. But if you're not willing to make a change now, you're just gonna keep repeating the same cycle. Let's be real. If you don't start, nothing changes. It's that simple. Humorous question to reset attention. Now, I know what you're thinking. Okay, I'm in, but how do I actually start? Relax. I'm not going to ask you to sell your kidney.